Because we do all of our own manufacturing and we do all of our own outsourcing of parts, we can do custom equipment. There's nothing here that has to be done over and over again. We're not outsourcing it. We've got full control. One of the items that we've created here is our custom pump stations. These are set up so that you can design a pump station that you need for your back room that we actually plumb with water line, air line, and all the controls up top. So all you've got to do is drop it in place right off the truck, have your plumber connect to the ends, and then have your electrician drop down and hit your coils on your solenoid valves. We can even pre-wire that to the motor control center if we put one of our computers in there. This is the kind of stuff that we can do. If you have an old car wash building with a low ceiling, we can make you a low headroom emitter. We can make your equipment custom fit your building at your needs, and that's what we can do because we control it all within our own four walls. Come on down and we'll talk about our vacuum cleaners and our swap program. This is one of our combo cells that builds both air dryers and vacuum cleaners. The vacuum cleaners we make ourselves from stamp material to finished blades all the way up through the turbine and the blower. The blowers, we have our housings built on the outside. We assemble them here. We've got over here one of our new items, which is our rocket vac, and this shows our powder coating process where we can now powder coat equipment any primary color you like, red, green, blue, black. And this is our rocket vac with some of its newest improvements. Again, you'll see this at the trade show. On the other side here, we've got our air dryer, doing some work on it with our new extensions to help get the blowers as close as possible to the cars, depending on the configuration. That you'll see at the trade show. But one of the most important things that people like, especially with this Extreme Express vacuuming program, is our exchange program on vacuums. The vacuum cleaners do suck up a lot of dirt. It's one of the items that is really hard to service for a maintenance tech or something. So what we do is offer, if they do have a problem with the bag, they leave one popped out, or they get a tear, if they ruin their turbine, we'll send a replacement turbine to put in place. We'll bring the other one back, we'll service it, and build a repair only. I think we're one of the only companies that do that. We do that on a few other items, high pressure pumps, the things that you need to stay up and running, we're thinking about and we're trying to make it better for you. The rocket vac is designed to save efficiency and save money. We're always working on newer technologies to try to make it more cost effective for you to operate your car wash so you can put out a better, cleaner, drier, shinier car. Here in the cloth department, this is one of the areas that we've really started in. Sonny was very big in cloth, rollers, chamois, way back in the beginning before we even made equipment. And it's one of the things that he learned from his family business. His mom was a dressmaker. So we've got machines designed here that automatically cut cloth to different lengths, widths, strips. Once they're done cutting, then we need to sew them. Maria is one of our longest term employees, and she handles the sewing quite a bit. She handles a lot of the regular cloth, sews the internal rods, external rods, and keeps the production line moving on this end. In the cloth department at Sonny's, we cut and stitch all of the regular permacolor cloth that we have here, but we also are the exclusive importers of MicroClean. MicroClean on a mitter we found to be one of the best cleaning properties there is. Takes that front to back mitter and actually makes it work like a top brush. But if you do like a top brush, we also distribute the NeoGlide. NeoGlide is a closed cell foam material that works really well on a lot of equipment. Our custom grill brush that was designed in conjunction with the NeoGlide folks. Also on wraparounds, top brushes, even the Ninja tire brush. So whatever your cloth needs are, we can do it here at Sonny's. From the Sonny's cloth, even to other OEMs and custom cut cloth. We can take care of it for you here.
You know, I've been in the car wash business for over 15 years, and I can honestly say that I have never experienced the level of service and commitment that I have with dealing with Sonny's.
We've had numerous full services, always put Sonny's in. We like the service, we like the quality of the product. If you ever do have a problem with a product, they put it right, no questions asked. You call up, they'll get a piece out to you the next day.
Anthony, pretty much, he comes on site, he helps us with the plans and the setup of the equipment. Even Sonny himself, he came to visit one of our locations, and I was telling him some things I wanted. He just looked at me, he said, "Roger, you tell me what I want, I'll build it."
Like I said, Petey and I became good friends. I'm impressed. I'm impressed of his work ethic. He's willing to finish the job and then finish it right.
Paul was involved. I mean, you know, I can't say enough about their involvement and their help.
You know, you can buy car wash equipment on the floor. You can buy car wash equipment. It's readily available. However, on Friday night at 4 o'clock, can you call up and get a piece of equipment overnight? And with Sonny's, you can.
Sonny's really gets the big picture. You almost get the impression that selling equipment is secondary. Making sure you're a successful operator is really what they're trying to do.
I would do this for Sonny's because of what they've done for me.
They want the folks that they sell equipment to be successful. And that's I don't know of any other company that has the credibility that Sonny's has.
Here in the distribution warehouse is where we have over 14,000 parts for not only Sonny's equipment, but all the other OEMs that are out there manufacturing car wash equipment today. We've got parts for accessories, in-store lobby sales, anything you need to keep your car wash up and running. In this area here, all the parts come in, they come down one side, they get QC'd to make sure that the accuracy is there, so we get the right part to you the first time, every time. They come in this area where they get packed, boxed, labeled, they slide down. The guys at the end of the counter are hitting the UPS machine and setting them up for UPS shipment. UPS leaves us a trailer every day. So we have orders in by 3:30 or out the same day. And then we have other trucks out here from Roadway or Old Dominion or Yellow that are sitting here waiting to carry a piece of equipment. If you need a tire brush today, or you need one air dryer or a blower or motor, we can ship that on a freight truck, same day. So we're ready to go every day without a hitch. 97% of the phone calls that come in for customer service or parts are ordered within 3 rings. This is where it all happens. This is where these guys make us look good taking care of you. And that's important to us. Thank you for taking the time to visit the factory. I wanted to end up here in the front lobby where we have some pictures of our founder, Sonny Fazio's first full-service car washes, which he opened in 1949.
You know, like, if you told me about my life and what was going to happen, it's like a fairy tale. I started washing cars in 1949. Little did I ever believe that I was going to manufacture car washing equipment. And little did I believe in that we were going to become the biggest in the United States and in the world in manufacturing and supplies. My goal was to bring you the best product at the cheapest possible price. And I don't know how to thank you people for putting me in the position that I'm at. And at my age of 81, I'm the proudest man in the world. Thank you very much.
Each day we're working to improve on our promise of making car washing easy. We view it as our obligation to continuously deliver solutions to clean cars better, safer, with less maintenance, less labor, and greater efficiency. We hope you find the time to come down and visit the factory in person or visit us online at sonnysdirect.com for the latest in training videos, retrofit kits to keep your equipment running on the latest technology. Good luck and good washing.